This is a 3D model character I made for one of my projects, and as you can see, it's rigged already with the IK constraints, and so supposedly you can animate this however you want by dragging it. The purpose of this video is about retargeting and the common mistakes you might face, so you can know how to fix it with these steps. So for the sake of this project, I will be using this boxing jab animation. As you can see, remember you only need the armature and its animation, so you only have to click on no skin, without skin, and then download. Okay, and afterwards you import the downloaded armature, and for the retargeting I'll be using this Rokoko add-on. It's free and I'll put in the link in the description. Now you can see the animation of the imported armature, so I'll quickly shift the imported armature back to the original point so it aligns with our character model, and then I'll choose the imported armature as the source and our own character model's armature as the target, and then we'll check and build the bones after checking, and then we can press on to the retarget animation. So after giving it some time, you can see that it failed to retarget properly. The character seems to be moving along with some kind of animation, but it's stiff like a puppet, and that's because of the IK constraints. Even though IK constraints does a lot help for posing and animating, sometimes it does the opposite for the animation retargeting. So the first thing to fix is to disable the IK constraints from the legs, the hands, just by turning the influence down to 0. However, after retargeting this time, we can notice that we've encountered another problem. Although the character's movement seems to be somewhat bear more resemblance to the armature's initial animation now, one of the odd things that stands out that's incredibly wrong is the hands. It's sticking out and through the character and bending on the wrong way. And the reason for this is because our character is not posted correctly, so we have to go back, and before we retarget it, we have to set the model and its armature in a T-pose from its original A pose. However, it won't work if we just simply pose it in the T-pose. We have to also apply the T-pose as our model's resting position as well. And luckily, this is actually a rather easy step. The first step is to pose the character in a T-pose. And then, secondly, we have to duplicate the model's armature modifier, and then apply the original modifier on top. Although the model might look rather funny and out of its pose, but I assure you that's normal. Then going back to pose mode, go to pose and click on apply pose to rest mode. Then voila, the character's current T pose is now its rest pose as well. So combining these two fixes and then click on retarget animation again, we can now see the retarget animation. It's going smoothly and perfectly. And so that's all for today, and thank you for watching.